Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'm not going to make a tutorial. I like to show you one common problem which I was faced in my iPhone at iOS 12. I'm using iOS 12. Here you can see I'm using iOS 12. So the problem is when I install iOS 12, the icon is changed and the voice memo icon is changed. So when I record something, suppose you can see I'm recording something, my phone display off time is 30 seconds. When my display will be going to off, I cannot stop totally my voice recording. So you can see my display is going to turn off. So here you can see I can stop. When I like to stop, it going to resume. I can resume. I cannot totally stop my voice recording. I cannot unlock. When I try to unlock, when I click the unlock section, it cannot unlock. I need to if I need to stop my voice recording totally, I cannot. I need to unlock totally. It's when I unlock, it going to close. So I need to open again and hit the done button. It's really boring and it's really critical to me. And again, when I am done, it going to rename with new recording. I cannot remain when I stop. To rename my recording, I need to go to this section and now I can rename. But when I stop my voice, I cannot rename my voice. I can name here. So done. It's really boring, critical to me. I hope you also feel this kind of problem. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.